How to apply for a job on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to apply for a job on LinkedIn easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do first is log into your account, of course, and now go to the jobs here. Click on the jobs option and go down, click on search jobs. Now let's choose any job here to show you how. Now for example this one, e-commerce developer. As you can see, it's here only 1 hour ago and I have chances to become one of the employments on this company. Click on apply right here and click continue. It will take you to the website of the company. Read this. You need to make sure to read everything, and you need to write your full name here and your email here and your password and click apply, or you can sign in with LinkedIn. Don't forget to like and subscribe.